Welcome to this week's episode of How To, where I'll show you how to take a hyperlapse like this. With an iPhone like this, my iPhone 10, or a point and shoot like this Nikon Coolpix, which is very old. Word of caution, you cannot use an analog phone like this, because this is very old and doesn't have a camera. So let's get into it. First of all, what you want to do is open the grid on your iPhone. So to open the grid, you have to go to Settings, down to the camera, and then Open Grid. That's very easy. This will further on help you to take the hyperlapse. I keep saying time-lapse for some reason. Yeah. This will help you to adjust the shots so you get like the actual frame of it, that you can keep track of one point. It just helps you out overall. If you have a good eye, you don't have to bother to open the grid. So let's go out to shoot. Okay, now that we're outside, we're gonna shoot. And what are we gonna shoot? This time we're gonna shoot this pier right here with, where is it? There it is, the iPhone. So, open your camera and let's start. Now, with the time-lapse setting on your camera, you're going to put it on one of the cross sections on the grid, the focal point, where you want your hyperlapse to go to. And then you're just going to walk slowly towards it while keeping those grids aligned on your object. Let's try that. And this is the result. Now, how do we take the spinning person hyperlapse? It is a very simple thing to do. First of all, what you need is some way to mark out a circle. This will help you later on. You can do it mentally, but then it might not come out as perfect as it could. What we used was chalk. We were just making a chalk line around the person, and then by intervals we went around them to take the pictures. And the end result is something like this. This concludes this week's episode of How To. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you want to subscribe, here will be a channel link. If you want to watch more, here will be the link to another video. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.